Waste management. Welcome to our session on wastewater treatment and its role in sustainability. Discover key processes, standards, and innovative practices that promote environmental responsibility. Together, we'll explore impactful ESG initiatives for a greener future. What is waste management? Waste management refers to the strategy for the disposal, reduction, reuse, and prevention of waste. This process involves several key steps, including the collection, transportation, treatment, monitoring, and regulation of waste to ensure it is handled properly. Popular types of waste management. There are several popular types of waste management methods, including recycling, which allows materials to be repurposed, incineration, where waste is burned to reduce volume, landfills, where waste is buried, biological reprocessing, which utilizes biological processes to treat waste, and using waste as animal feed, a method that converts waste into a resource. Why waste management is important. Waste management is crucial for protecting the environment from the harmful effects of both inorganic and biodegradable waste. Poor waste management can lead to serious issues, such as water contamination, soil erosion, and air pollution. Proper waste management enables recycling and reuse, contributing to a healthier planet. Waste management hierarchy. The waste management hierarchy classifies waste based on several criteria. It includes the physical state of waste: solid, liquid, or gas. It also considers degradability, distinguishing between biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste. Lastly, it assesses the effects on health, classifying waste as hazardous or non-hazardous. Classification of waste. The image depicts a classification of waste based on three main criteria: physical state, degradability, and effects on human health. Physical state refers to the form of waste, which can be solid, liquid, or gas. Degradability distinguishes between biodegradable waste, which can be broken down by natural processes, and non-biodegradable waste, which cannot. Finally, the effects on human health categorizes waste as hazardous or non-hazardous, depending on its potential to harm human health. This diagram provides a comprehensive framework for understanding the different types of waste and their characteristics. Calculating waste volume. Calculating waste volume involves assessing various factors. Here, we see the volume of skips measured in liters, the number of skips, and the removal frequency per year. For example, if we have 3 skips with a volume of 1,290 liters each removed 105 times a year, the annual volume of waste totals 406,350 liters. Adding another scenario, with 2 skips of 250 liters removed 105 times, results in an additional 52,500 liters. This brings the total volume of waste to 458,850 liters annually. Extract solid waste audit. In this extract solid waste audit, we analyze various waste items along with their annual quantities and disposal routes. For example, glass beverage bottles totaling 20 tons are sent to a landfill, which is part of the main contract. They can be recycled, resulting in no disposal costs and annual savings of 1,260. Similarly, packaging card, totaling 1 ton, is also sent to landfill but can be replaced with reusable packaging, generating savings. Overall, the audit identifies a total of 21.05 tons of waste with significant savings potential. Benchmark for waste in luxury hotels. In luxury hotels, benchmarks for waste produced are classified per guest night. For serviced hotels, an excellent benchmark is less than 3 liters or 0.6 kilograms per guest night. A satisfactory benchmark is less than 5 liters or 1.2 kilograms, while a high benchmark reaches up to 7 liters or 2.0 kilograms per guest night. These metrics help hotels assess their waste management performance. Waste types by hotel departments. Different hotel departments generate various types of waste. In food and beverages, common waste includes cooking oils, vegetable peels, coffee grounds, plastics, and steel cans. Guest rooms and housekeeping produce waste such as towels, toiletries, batteries, and cleaning chemicals. Offices contribute equipment waste like computers and printers, paper, and toner cartridges. Garage and garden waste includes tires, engine oils, and garden trimmings. Finally, refurbishment waste consists of materials like lighting, paint, carpets, and tiles. Guest rooms and housekeeping. The image shows a list of items that might be found in a guest room or used by housekeeping staff. The image of a maid making a bed reinforces the topic. The list includes towels, robes, linens, newspapers and magazines, television and telephones, soap, shampoo, other washroom amenities, batteries, cleaning chemicals, pharmaceutical preparations and medication. Office. This is a list of office supplies, which include office equipment such as computers, printers and monitors, toner cartridges, and paper and card. This is a list of items commonly found in a garage and garden. They include tires for vehicles or other equipment, engine oils, lubricating oils for engines, equipment, lawnmowers, tools and machinery for gardening, such as lawn mowers, trimmings from hedge pruning, cuttings from hedges and bushes, garden furniture, seating, tables, and other items for outdoor use, wood preservatives, chemicals to protect wood from rot and decay, pesticides, chemicals to control insects, weeds, and other pests. Refurbishment. The image lists various elements that are often involved in refurbishment projects. These include lighting, replacing or updating lighting fixtures, paints and solvents, repainting walls, ceilings, and other surfaces, asbestos, removal or management of asbestos materials, which can be a health hazard, carpets and flooring, replacing or refinishing carpets, tiles, and other floor coverings, furniture, updating or replacing furniture to create a fresh look, ceramic and stone tiles, installing or refinishing ceramic or stone tiles for floors and walls. Source of wastes in other departments. The source of wastes in other departments can be categorized by the following. Residential wastes include food wastes, paper, cardboard, plastics, textiles, leather, yard wastes, wood, glass, metals, and ashes. Industrial wastes include housekeeping wastes, packaging, food wastes, construction and demolition materials, hazardous wastes, and special wastes. Commercial wastes include paper, cardboard, plastics, wood, food wastes, glass, metals, special wastes, and hazardous wastes. Institutional wastes are the same as commercial. Construction and demolition wastes include wood, steel, concrete, and dirt. Municipal services wastes include street sweepings, landscape and tree trimmings, general wastes from parks, beaches, and other recreational areas, and sludge. Manufacturing wastes include industrial process wastes, scrap materials, off-specification products, slay, and tailings. Finally, agricultural wastes include spoiled food wastes, agricultural wastes, and hazardous wastes. Setting up a paper recycling program. This slide is about setting up a paper recycling program. It suggests several steps including determining the recycling potential, estimating the quantity of paper, appointing a recycling coordinator, designing a recovery system, justifying the benefits and costs of the program, and selecting a paper broker. The slide also includes an image of a recycling symbol created with paper. Thank you for your attention. For more details, please contact TSD Office Engineering GHG. We appreciate your interest in ESG initiatives.